Right. Next is reaction with silver salt of carboxylic acid. Let us take alkyl halides reacts with silver salt of carboxylic acid. It is a silver salt of carboxylic acid. They form corresponding esters. How? See, here is remove Ag and X as a silver halide, and this R, you write as it is RCOO. Then take this R dash, it become R dash. This is called what? Ester. Plus you will also get AgX. So therefore, alkyl halides reacts with silver salt of carboxylic acid to form corresponding ester. In this reaction, what is the nucleophile? RC double bond O, O minus. This is called what? Nucleophile. So therefore, let us take methyl chloride reacts with silver acetate. It is called silver acetate. Silver acetate gives rise to then chlorine and Ag. Remove as a AgCl, CH3 C double bond O, OCH3. It is called methyl acetate plus AgCl. Next, sixth one is reaction with alcoholic potassium nitrite. Potassium nitrite, that is KNO2. So reaction with alcoholic potassium nitrite. Let us take reaction alkyl halide reacts with KNO2. So it is a KON double bond O. This is potassium nitrite. So therefore, alkyl halide reacts with potassium nitrite, alcoholic medium. Then what can be removed? K and Cl. It can be removed. Therefore, the product is RON double bond O. This is called alkyl nitrite. Plus you will get KCl. So therefore, tell me, what is the statement? Alkyl halides reacts with potassium nitrite. It is a potassium nitrite to form corresponding alkyl nitrite. It is a corresponding alkyl nitrite. For example, take methyl chloride plus potassium nitrite, alcoholic medium. Next, take ethyl chloride plus potassium nitrite, alcoholic medium. Come on, write the products. Remove KCl. Here also remove KCl. Write the product. You will get corresponding alkyl nitrite. Next, seventh one is reaction with alcoholic silver nitrite. Reaction with alcoholic silver nitrite. So what is the silver nitrite? AgNO2. That means AgON double bond O. This is a silver nitrite. Let's see alkyl halide. Let us take RX reacts with silver nitrite, AgON double bond O in alcoholic medium. It forms alkane nitrile. It forms alkane nitrile. Nitroalkane. It forms nitroalkane, but not alkyl nitrite. Sorry. Okay, listen carefully here. Alkyl halide reacts with silver nitrite. Reacts with silver nitrite to form corresponding nitroalkane, but not alkyl nitrite. And what can be removed? It is AgX can be removed, same as it is. Similarly, let us write 1-2 example. Take methyl bromide plus silver nitrite in alcoholic medium. Take ethyl chloride plus silver nitrite, silver nitrite in alcoholic medium. So you just remove AgBr here, remove AgCl here. But the products are not alkyl nitrite. The products are nitroalkane. So difference is here CH3 N double bond O. Here this alkyl group is attached to nitrogen but not oxygen. Whereas in previous case this alkyl group attached to oxygen. So therefore that was alkyl nitrite. This is a nitroalkane. Both are different. Plus silver bromide is the byproduct. Now here CH3 CH2, this is as it is, plus AgCl is the byproduct. Now important note, students, the same reason alkyl halide reacts with potassium nitrite, it forms corresponding alkyl nitrite. It is called corresponding alkyl nitrite. Whereas alkyl halide reacts with silver nitrite, the same compound, silver nitrite, it forms nitroalkane but not alkyl nitrite. Why? Question is simple. Alkyl halide reacts with potassium nitrite, it forms alkyl nitrite. Whereas alkyl halide reacts with silver nitrite to form nitroalkane. This is a nitroalkane. So why this difference? The same reason is we have studied in where potassium cyanide, silver cyanide. Now here also same reason. The reason is here potassium nitrite. This is a ionic compound. So once again I repeat here, potassium nitrite is a ionic compound which undergo ionization, it forms K plus O N double bond O minus. Now this O minus nucleophile, it get attached to carbocation. O minus nucleophile attached to carbocation, what you get? RO N double bond O. That means you will get alkyl nitrite. Whereas silver nitrite, AgON double bond O, right? This is a covalent compound. Since it is a covalent compound, it does not undergo ionization, it does not give ion. But no, it does not give ion, but here nitrogen has one lone pair. Therefore, this lone pair is, donated to R plus, carbocation. Then what it forms? It forms first intermediate. This R is as it is. Now this R is linked with, R is connected to what? Bonded to nitrogen. Like this. Now this nitrogen having double bond is as it is. This nitrogen having what? OAg. Right? This OAg. Now this is a positive charge. Nitrogen get positive charge because nitrogen has donated its lone pair to R plus. Now students, tell me what happened. Now when nitrogen carry positive charge, what happened? Here oxygen also has lone pair here, right? Now this lone pair shifted to here. This lone pair shifted here. Then what happened? Now this bond is, this bonded electron taken by this. Then finally this lone pair shifted here. So therefore it become R. This N become single bond now. Okay, you can take one is single bond, one is double bond. Right? You will get nitroalkane. So this is the difference, how alkyl nitrite and nitroalkanes are forming. Next, reaction with water. Now this is already we have studied how alkyl halide reacts with water containing H plus and OH minus where OH minus is a nucleophile. Example for SN1 SN2 reaction we have studied same, no? Hydrolysis. Therefore alkyl halide undergo hydrolysis, they form corresponding alcohol plus HX. For example, take methyl chloride reacts with water and ethyl bromide reacts with water. You can take many, you will get corresponding alcohols. Next, 9, reaction with NaHS, it is called sodium hydrogen sulfide. Sodium hydrogen sulfide. So therefore tell me reaction alkyl halide reacts with NaHS, sodium hydrogen sulfide, to form what should be removed? Remove NaX, you will get corresponding SH compound. This is called thioalcohol. You will get alkyl thioalcohol. You will get corresponding thioalcohol. Therefore, tell me, statement is alkyl halide reacts with sodium hydrogen sulfide to form corresponding alkyl thioalcohols. For example, methyl chloride reacts with NaHS, then tell me, you remove the NaCl, you will get methyl thioalcohol. Methyl thioalcohol is the product. Next, 10th one, reaction with Na2S, sodium sulfide. Right, alkyl halide, let us take RX, reacts with Na2S, take another RX, 2 moles of RX, come on tell me, it is Na2S, Na2X and X in presence of course alcoholic only, then what do you get? RSR, they called thioethers. It means alkyl halide reacts with sodium sulfide, Na2S is called sodium sulfide, they form corresponding thioalcohols. Next is reaction with ammonia. That means how does alkyl halide reacts with ammonia? This reaction is also called Hoffman ammonolysis. Important, Hoffman ammonolysis. Okay, now let us take alkyl halide RX reacts with ammonia here, one hydrogen 1x, remove one hydrogen 1x, that is minus HX, it forms RNH2. This is called primary amine. This primary amine still it contains 2 hydrogen, therefore it again reacts with another alkyl halide, another mole of alkyl halide, therefore now remove one hydrogen from here, X from here, then you will get RNHR. It is called secondary amine. Next, this secondary amine, it again now reacts with another mole of alkyl halide because there is a one hydrogen and this X. So these two can be removed. Then it forms RNRR. It is called tertiary amine. This tertiary amine again reacts with another mole of alkyl halide because there is a one lone pair. So therefore this lone pair is donated to this this R group here and nothing but carbocation. This is a X minus. So therefore finally it form RNRR. It is plus, and moreover this is a carrying positive charge and X is a minus. So this is called quaternary ammonium salt. a quaternary ammonium salt is formed. So this whole reaction is called Hoffman ammonolysis. Now students, here no, what is primary amine, what is secondary amine, tertiary amine, we study in amine topic, but time being remember the meaning of primary amine is here, if nitrogen atom attached to only one alkyl group or one carbon, if nitrogen attached to only one carbon or one alkyl or aryl group, it is called primary amine. Next, secondary amine is, it is a nitrogen. If nitrogen atom attached to two alkyl or aryl group, and there should be one hydrogen because the valency of nitrogen is 3, 1, 2, 3. This is secondary amine. Next, tertiary amine. Tertiary amine is if nitrogen atom attached to two alkyl group or two aryl group. So, three alkyl group or three aryl group, 1, 2, 3. And quaternary means if nitrogen atom attached to 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 alkyl or aryl is not possible, okay, alkyl group, then it is called quaternary ammonium salt. So this is a Hoffman ammonolysis reaction. Next, reaction with lithium aluminium hydride. Students, this reaction is important, we will get in further class also. Lithium aluminium hydride. So where lithium aluminium hydride, it is one of the strong reducing agent. Strong reducing agent. So therefore, how does alkyl halide reacts with a strong reducing agent, that is lithium aluminium hydride? Alkyl halide reacts with lithium aluminium hydride. Students, remember here, when it is treated with alkyl halide treated with lithium aluminium hydride, this X is replaced with hydrogen. It means you will get alkane. The corresponding alkanes are the product, and you will get, of course, HX. For example, take methyl chloride. It is reaction with lithium aluminium hydride. Write the product. Take ethyl bromide. Reacts with lithium aluminium hydride. Write the product. Come on, tell me. Here, this chlorine is replaced with hydrogen, therefore you will get methane. Now here, this bromine replaced with hydrogen, therefore you will get CH3 ethane. So therefore, it is reaction with lithium aluminium hydride. Next, reaction with sodium acetylide. Sodium acetylide. Now what is acetylide? CH triple bond CH is called alkyne, that is acetylene. This acetylene reacts with 1 mole of sodium. Okay, what happens? CH triple bond C, in place of one hydrogen, Na comes, plus of course half H2 is released. This is called sodium acetylide. Okay, now let's see how does alkyl halide RX reacts with sodium acetylide. Right. Let us take alkyl halide RX reacts with the sodium acetylide. What is removed? Here is X, here is Na. NaX can be removed. Then the product is CH triple bond C as it is, and R get substituted here. Therefore here, can you tell me here what is a nucleophile? CH triple bond C minus is nucleophile. Right. So this X minus replaced with this nucleophile. Right. The product is this. It is called higher alkyne. Therefore, tell me what is the reaction? Alkyl halide. Alkyl halide reacts with sodium acetylide to form corresponding higher alkynes. So these are the some important nucleophilic substitution reactions. Students, I'll give one tablet. I'll give one chart here. Take this is a alkyl halide general formula. Now I'll write here. I'll write same nucleophiles here. You just tell me products. Okay. Let us take one. It is NaOH, aqueous medium. Come on. Rx plus NaOH. I want only product. ROH. Next, 2. What is the second reaction? What you have taken? Second reaction is it is sodium alkoxide, no? RONA. Williamson ether synthesis. It is ROR. Ethers are the product. Next, third one, reaction with, come on, tell me, potassium cyanide. What you get? RC triple bond N. Next, reaction with silver cyanide. What is the product? R N triple bond C. Next, reaction with silver salt of carboxylic acid, no? R COOAG. Reaction with silver salt of carboxylic acid. Product is, only product is important, students. Silver salt of carboxylic acid, you will get ester. Next, reaction with potassium nitrite, that is KON double bond O, potassium nitrite, you will get alkyl nitrite. Next, reaction with silver nitrite, but the product is nitroalkanes. Next, reaction with water. Come on, product is alcohol. Reaction with sodium hydrogen sulfide. Product is thioalcohol. It is a thioalcohol. Next, reaction with sodium sulfide Na2S. Product is ether. But which ether? Thioether. Thioethers are the product. Next, reaction with ammonia. But reaction with ammonia, you will get a primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary, all. Primary amine, comma, you will get secondary, comma, tertiary, even quaternary ammonium salt also product. You will get a mixture of product. Next, reaction with lithium aluminum hydride. You will get what? R becomes RH. This is called alkane. Next, reaction with, that is last, no? Okay. This is last. Fine. Okay. So these are the some important nucleophilic substitution reactions. Take down.